Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. I'm going to make some Brussels sprouts, but I'm going to do them in a pan. And they're going to be maple Brussels sprouts, maple flavored, with a little touch of ginger in it too. So stick around and I'm going to show you how I do it. There's the Brussels sprouts. Alright, so I cut these and I cut the stems, trim the stems up so they can be pretty. And then I parboiled them. They're not fully cooked, but I won't. And I quartered them also. And now I'm just getting them cooked up in a little bit of olive oil. Turn down that heat a little bit. Finishing them up from here. I'll put a little seasoning on them. A little bit of garlic powder. That's enough. That ain't the start of food. A little bit of onion powder. Whoops. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I did say ginger, but I can't find the ginger. So we're going to go without it. Let that kind of cook into it a little bit. And then we're going to put some of this in it. It's a pancake syrup, but it's a maple walnut, and it will give it a great flavor. It's really good. I haven't tried that at Walden Farm. Just so you know, that's all the pertinent information on it right there. Pause it, enlarge it, whatever. Hopefully you can see it. Alright, that's the dogs. They're kind of arguing over something.
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
Well, this is some stir-fried maple flavored Brussels sprouts.
Maple flavored. Okay.
And in the oven, I have, which is being done for another video that we're going to put on. It's these are two different videos from mock or Duke sausage on a stick like they do at Brussel. Let me check it. See if they're how it's browning up. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. I like it. Looking good. Now, you turn your nose up at Brussels sprouts, that's okay. This will work with about any vegetable you want. Broccoli, green beans. I haven't tried it with cauliflower, but it'll work with both of those. And, you know, just, I tell you what, the thing about Brussels sprouts is they're a whole different creature cooked than they are raw. Cooked and flavored up, they are really good. So don't sell them short. Kind of give them a chance to cook and see what you think. You know, especially if you try this recipe, because it's really good. And for those that don't know, that was my wife here. Let me see if I can do a taste test. Oh yeah. They're getting done. Alright, now I'm going to take and put a little bit of the syrup in here. Now you could add bacon in this. I don't have bacon to add right now. So not going to be able to do bacon. Yeah, but bacon goes real well with it also. Yeah, I wish you could smell the maple flavor coming out of this kitchen right now. Or the maple smell, the aroma. Yes, sir. These are some kind of good looking. Now, if I had some bacon, I would have cooked it in the bacon grease rather than the olive oil. I would have cooked up the bacon. It would have given it more color. And would have made it look far different than it does now, but I didn't have it. So I'm going with what I got. Let's see if I need to add a little more. A little bit more. Let it marry all up. Yes, sir, this is going to be tasty. My wife likes salt, so I'm not going to just touch more salt. If you couldn't hear us when I said that, she said, yeah. The woman was born with a salt shaker in her hand. Okay, well, I am declaring these done. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to let it sit on the heat while I check the other stuff, and then I'll plate this and I'll be back. Okay, my lovely wife Paige has consented to do a taste test. Be kind. I'm experimenting again. Okay. So
Love your experiments.
you've got 2 meals,
Always come out
and
good.
there's 2 videos going to be done with them.
Oh.
Because that would have been too long for one video, in my opinion. First off, you got the Brussels sprouts there. And they're made with maple syrup.
How can we do maple syrup?
Sugar-free. There's no sugar in it.
Mmm. Wow.
How you like that?
Mmm. Tastes just like, another 5.
All right. So the next taste
Oh, wait,
test,
what else? Is there something else in here like this?
just
No.
salt and pepper,
Oh,
garlic powder, onion powder.
okay.
All right, now you've got
What
the...
is this interesting?
You remember at Buc-ee's how they have the sausage wrapped in a tortilla on a stick?
Oh, yeah.
This is my attempt at kind of creating a dupe of it that's low carb. So
Okay.
it's, you can call it a pig in a blanket if you want to, but I didn't get the wrap quite tight enough, I don't think. It's a work in progress. You may have to break some of it off because it might be too much breading on there, too much wrap.
Okay. So
but
what's this?
that's ranch dressing for you to dip because I know you are the ranch queen.
I can drink it.
Mm-hmm. She's not lying, folks.
Probably said that before on here. All right, here we go. It tastes good.
Yeah.
This is a little hard, at least on the end, to bite into.
Okay.
But I have a feeling it won't be as.
When it gets further down.
But it's so good.
I'm glad. So is that a winner?
The winner.
Okay.
Winner. Have some more. Let's have it again.
Okay. Well, when she wants it again, that's a good sign. All right, folks, until the next time, this is Mike at Ketorific Journey and Paige. Yeah, saying, let's be careful out there.